troubleshooting frost in an LG refrigerator. If you are seeing excessive frost buildup in your LG refrigerator, the issue can usually be resolved without a technician. Excessive frost buildup can occur when room temperature, humid air in the house gets inside the refrigerator, or when hot food is placed inside without cooling first. Although the refrigerator goes through an automatic defrost cycle, sometimes it is not enough to clear out excessive frost. We'll go over steps you can take to resolve the issue. But first you will need to manually defrost the unit. To do this, unplug the refrigerator, remove all food, and empty the ice bin. Leave it unplugged with its doors open for at least 8 hours. Be sure to keep towels in and around the unit to soak up any water from melting frost. After 8 hours, or when the frost is completely gone, use a dry towel to remove any moisture. Then close the refrigerator doors, plug the unit back in, and wait 24 to 48 hours for normal operation. After the unit is thawed out and plugged back in, you need to identify what was causing the excessive frost. Did your child leave the refrigerator or freezer door open? Is the refrigerator properly leveled and tilted slightly backward? Is the door uneven, or is there something inside that was preventing it from closing completely? Was there an error code displayed on the control panel? The following list of steps can prevent future frost buildup issues. Limit frequent opening of the door and keep the freezing compartment correctly filled. Reduce the amount of time the unit's doors are left open. This will help keep the inside temperature consistent and cold. And always make sure the door is properly closed each time you use it. Make sure the vents inside the refrigerator are not blocked. The refrigerator is leveled and the doors are properly leveled and aligned. Make sure there is nothing preventing the doors from closing completely. Break up large food packages into smaller, airtight packages, and make sure you dry each package before placing it in the freezer. Smaller packages freeze better. Also, do not place hot food inside without first letting it cool. Most times, even slight openings around the freezer door can allow enough moisture to enter and cause frost buildup. So clean your freezer gasket monthly by wiping it down with a soapy cloth. Add bleach if you see mold, and if it is ripped or torn, replace it. Do the same for the refrigerator door gasket. Make sure the gasket is properly connected to the liner and pull out any compressed part of the gasket. Keep the refrigerator away from a hot water heater or furnace. Too much heat or cold can cause the unit to work overtime, resulting in excessive frost buildup. Lastly, do not block the unit's airflow by pushing it too close to the wall. The coils on or in the back of the refrigerator need air circulation around them. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.